Today, we're adding a beautiful and dreamy firefly effect to your footage. If you want your video to look magical, warm, romantic, or fairy tale like, this effect is a perfect choice. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap it to select the clip. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile are applied directly onto your clip. From the list of categories, open the Decor tab. Here, scroll until you find Firefly and tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see glowing fireflies floating gently across your footage, giving it a soft, magical ambience. To customize the look, tap the effect again. Two sliders appear. Speed controls how fast the fireflies move. Slide right for quick floating particles, or left for slow, gentle drifting lights. Atmosphere adjusts how bright and visible the fireflies are. Increasing it makes them glow stronger and stand out more. Decreasing it gives a subtle, natural, nighttime sparkle. You can also adjust the effect's duration on the timeline to decide how long the fireflies stay visible. And that's it. You've successfully added a stunning firefly effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for night scenes, romantic edits, dreamy reels, and aesthetic videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.